This is the continuation of our course contents for solar system installation 101. So we will talk about solar component configuration. Solar component matching is different from solar component configuration. How do you configure the solar system to work after you might have installed it? How do you set your your inverter so that it doesn't overcharge your solar battery? How do you connect two solar inverters to work together? How do you configure every other component like what you see us do in most of our commercial solar system installation? Assuming you have 5 solar inverters, you have charge controller, you have the Fronius inverters, you have other components. How do you configure them? That is solar component configuration. Is different from solar component matching. So we will still handle that in the level 2 training. Then after you might have finished installing the solar component, you have to draw the electrical drawing. It is the electrical drawing that will assist anybody understand exactly what you did. The person might not be on site, but with the electrical drawing, this person can go to site, know exactly where to go to solve a particular problem. The same way we did to string diagram. String diagram. We'll also consider the electrical drawing of the solar system installation. When it comes to installation, solar installation, earthing contributes to the major problem we have in the industry. So we will not just treat earthing. We will show you the secrets when it has to do with earthing. Some of these contents or course contents are supposed to be very separate and you pay separately, but we don't want to have different levels. So that is the reason we are trying to compress it so that we just treat it once so that you don't complain of you are making too much payment to our company. We are trying to see how we can use our wealth of knowledge to solve the problem we are having in the society. Paying 7,000 or 10,000 naira for this knowledge is not too much. So we will consider earthing. If you said 10,000 is too much, how do you charge? How much do you make when you finish installing one project? You make in thousands. So giving us 10,000 and we show you the secret is not much. So we consider earthing in detail. So we will consider how to commissioning. When you might have finished the installation, you commission, you test, run all the components, and if there is any issue, you troubleshoot it and the system will come live and you can collect your balance. Then after that, we will talk about troubleshooting and maintenance. Troubleshooting and maintenance of the solar component. Then remember we started with solar entrepreneur 1. Then we will talk about solar entrepreneur 2. If you are able to attend our level 1 training, then you are able to attend our level 2 training. What will stop you from making money or making big in this industry is your approach. because by the time this is our complete course contents. By the time we are done with these complete course contents, the ball will be on your court. We will not hide anything from you. If you have attended our level 1 training, you understand what I mean. We don't hide anything from our students because we know that the sky is too wide for many birds to fly without colliding. I might not be able to go to Sokoto to install solar system, but I can train somebody in Sokoto online and he can represent me in Sokoto. That is our own approach. So we are not here to hide what we do or cut some of the information. We don't do that. So when we might have been able to give you all our templates, like if you have bought our solar textbook, solar exclusive and solar companion, you get to understand that that is exactly what we do on site. That is exactly what we do on site. That is what we practice. So we are still talking about how you will profit from this business, how you profit from this knowledge. We will not be able to go to Zimbabwe, but we have many students in Zimbabwe that can represent us. We will not be able to go to Cameroon, but we have students that we have trained online and they are representing us already. So we don't just train you, we show you the secrets when it has to do with this industry. So you giving us maybe 25 USD, 10,000 naira is too much, is not too much for this training, because after this training you become the boss. You are the only reason that will stop yourself from becoming the boss. Because we at Subway Energy Academy, we don't train followers. We don't train followers. Followers will not be able to take responsibility. They will not be able to go to site and execute a project worth millions of dollars. So we train leaders. We train people that will take this industry to the next level. So joining Subway Energy Academy will be the best decision you have made for your life. And it will be the best investment that you have ever made to yourself. Welcome once again. This is Subway Energy Academy, the training section of Subway Energy Limited.